That's awesome. Maybe that's the boss of them, huh?
Pretty boy. Is that coming?
Maybe it'll talk to you. It's like licking it with its tongue.
No, it's got the biscuit in its hand.
Yeah.
Baby.
Oh, yeah, it does too. Fuck all that.
Hi, puppy. I got him to come up here too. Do you enjoy that? Want another one? Another one. It put the biscuit in its mouth fully so it could scratch its ear and grab the biscuit back out.
Look at the real baby one over there by itself.
Where?
Near the road. No, near the road, bub. So the road.
Over there.
Yep. Its mane's like hasn't got a mane yet. It's like red.
I wonder what it's doing there by itself.
It probably doesn't not as tame as these ones, you know. This is years and years and years, mate. These birds have been here.
Hey, knock it off. How you going, Sam?
Oh, there's nowhere else I've ever seen that before.
And I got him to come up here and get it out of my hand.
There goes the small one. He's off. He's chicken. There was a kookaburra here before I seen the thing with the big, you know, the kookaburra. That,
Big. You don't feed them because they're nasty.
nah, the guy was feeding it, but he wasn't feeding them like this.
Oh, look. He was going to give it back. Star? Thank you. Ready? Star? Thank you.